To a TVJ News update now, the police say the mentally ill woman in Manchester who fled after she allegedly drowned her 2-month-old son in a bucket of water is in hospital and receiving treatment. Acting commander for the Manchester Division Deputy Superintendent of Police, Luhas Daniel, says she was picked up by a team from the Mental Health Department in Mandeville on Tuesday.
Further investigation revealed that the mother of the child is an outpatient at the mental health clinic at the Percy Junior Hospital. She was picked up by members of the Manchester Mental Health Department and transported to the Percy Junior Hospital, where she is currently restrained, being treated and undergoing observation. Investigation continues.
And speaking to our news team on Tuesday after the incident, the family of the deceased baby explained that the mother has been experiencing episodes, or has rather experienced episodes in the past.
Sometimes in the Mandeville, sometimes in the Spal, in the Christina. Sometimes, see him for weeks. Sometimes when in taxi, man, you see her on the road, carry in the burning house already, And boy, I tell my son, say, boy, better make him go on, But him say he love her, So I live with that.
Still to come this evening, St. Catherine Parish Court being tested as traffic ticket day to go late into Wednesday night. And in business news, we'll tell you the fuel prices come Thursday. We'll be right back.